What is up, guys? Rob here at Bob Evans Classics. If you like classic cars, please hit the subscribe button. You can see all of our new inventory as we get in every week, and you can watch me and Chris go out and chase classic cars. Please subscribe today. We'll see you then. Let's go.
What is up, guys? Rob here with Bob Evans Classics. Got something different for you here today. 1967 Land Rover Series 2A. This thing is clean. If you're ready to jump on the safari or go off-roading, this is the vehicle for you. It's such a cool classic car. We're going to go over the entire vehicle, the good, the bad, and if there's any ugly, so you know exactly what you get before you get it. We ship all over the US and worldwide, and we can ship it right to your doorstep. We offer financing, little as 10% down, credit score of 620 or above.
Guys, if you like classic cars, please hit the subscribe button to see all of our new inventory. We got all these cars over here, like a Fox body, a nice Challenger here, some Mustangs, Camaros, all kinds of stuff, BMWs. Hit the like button, subscribe if you want to see our cars as we get them in. Plus, you can watch me and Chris chase classic cars. We have episodes of chasing classic cars. All right, guys, 1967 Land Rover Series 2A. This was a client of mine. He actually passed away, and his daughter sold us two of them and some other cars. But we got two Land Rovers. He was Costa Rican, and he actually had these in Costa Rica. He brought them to the US, lived in Florida, and I believe last year it was in a Costa Rican museum of, I want to say of the sciences or something like that. It was something down in Florida to highlight Costa Rican culture in Costa Rica, and they had this there at the exhibit. This thing is clean. It's in really good condition. We'll do a full walkthrough on it right now. And we'll go ahead and get started. We'll start with the driver's door. Driver's door is in good shape. I don't see any flaws. The glass is all intact. Up here is good. A little wear here. Let's open up the door real quick. On this weather stripping, you see a little cracking in the weather stripping. And up here, so simple fix. Probably change that weather stripping if you want to make it new. It still works. The door still shuts fine. Down here, you got a little flaw in the paint there, and a little flaw in the paint there. A little bit there as well. Rest of the door is in good shape. You saw me close it. We'll go ahead and do the close test. This door closes perfectly. It's a light door, so I do expect it to close good, and it does. Windshield's in good shape. This metal here is kind of pitted. I don't know if it's supposed to look like this or is it supposed to be shiny. I'm not a Land Rover expert, guys. Let me know in the comments what you think. But it's not rusted or rusty or anything like that. You also got these vents here that do open up and you can let air into the cabin. Driver's side fender's in good shape. I don't see any flaws on it at all. Looks real good. The tire's also pretty much new, and the wheel's in good shape as well. This is sitting on 186 MT tires. The size is 245/75 R16. Bumper's in good shape. Got a little scratch right there in the bumper. Rest of the bumper's good. You got a 12,000 pound winch here. Grill's in good shape. Lights look like they're in good shape. Hood looks like it's in good shape. I don't see any flaws. The front end looks good shape.
Again, this is a pretty clean car. There's no bad on this car, and there's really no ugly at all. There's just a couple minor flaws. So this car's in pretty good condition. I would say 10 being like never been driven, showroom. For what this is, it's got to be close to a 9. I mean, it's got a couple flaws, but I mean, nothing's perfect in my opinion, and this is close to it. So I'm going to give this one a 9. It's in above average shape. It's in the good shape, excellent shape, however you want to call it. It's not perfect. Again, there is flaws, which we'll go through, little scratches and stuff. But for what this vehicle is, it's nice. This tire, again, look at that. Look how much meat you got on these tires. The wheels, the same thing. This fender, good shape. I don't see any visible flaws. Decals are nice, stickers are nice. I don't see any bubbling or anything like that. Now, the worst part of the whole car is going to be on this door right here. You got a little imperfection in the paint right there. Just a little bubble, but it's not soft or anything. It's just a little imperfection in the paint. And that's it. That's pretty much the whole flaw of the car. If anything sticks out to me, and you can't even see that unless you get up on it and you really know what you're looking for. Besides that, I mean, I don't see anything. Up here is good, glass is good, nice intact. This is solid, the step. This is to jump up and go up there, which we will go up and we'll check. We'll go in the back. We're gonna do a full walkthrough of this whole vehicle. These open up, which is cool, right into the cabin. And they're in good shape. I don't see any Bondo or anything that looks like it had body work. Again, this tire's in great shape, wheel as well. So pretty much the whole car is consistent with the condition when I first showed you up front. Back here, looks all nice. We didn't do the door test on this door. Let's go ahead and do that real quick. Now this molding inside is much better. It's not dry rotted. And you do have, looks like this is a trailer vehicle or something they did in Costa Rica. Door closes perfect. Okay, you got a little chip here. I did notice this right here, a little chip. I don't know if you guys can see that. You can't really see it unless you get real close up on it. A couple scratches in this metal piece. You got a spare tire here. And this is all nice. Glass is nice intact. A couple of scratches on the glass right here you can see. See if we can jump up here real quick. Up here is good shape. I don't see any major scratches. Anything up here. A couple little dings, but nothing major. On to the final side. Okay, got a little flaw right here. Little crack in the paint, small one in that quarter. The rest of the quarter's nice. Again, tires new, wheel also in really, really good shape. Got the little safari glass up here, skylight. But guys, it's a good looker for sure. It's clean. Overall condition of it, just from a general standpoint, is pretty much beautiful. From 3 feet away, it looks flawless. I pointed out a couple of the flaws up close, but you really can't see any of them. The back, you got 4 jump seats here. I believe these open up for ventilation. You can fit 4 people in here and 3 people in the front. You can get 7 if you had to. You also got where you can plug in a little trailer or something, tow something, and you're good. Okay, so that didn't close as good. Let's give it a little bit harder. There you go. It doesn't close as good as the front. You got 3 nice seats here. One of them does have a little flaw right here. The rest of the inside's good. You're showing 62,809 kilometers. It's, I guess, roughly 30,000, a little less than 30,000 miles on it. PSI here. This is your water temperature, fuel, and we'll start it up, see if those work. If these work, you could open up, let air in. And you also have high and low gear range. Your voltage meter there, and signals will test when we start it. Let's climb under the vehicle and let's open up under the hood. All right, here's under the hood. Nice and clean under here. Just a little guy. It's a little small little diesel, but it holds its own, that's for sure. We'll start it up in a few minutes and I'll show you guys the inside. Let's go underneath. And that's what's the most impressive part about this car, is just how clean everything is. This looks like it was all redone. You don't see an ounce of rust. Everything looks new. Here, no rot, no rust. Up in here is clean. It's all around solid. We do have a kill switch in this, I won't show you. No black smoke, nothing. Got power steering, oil pressure's working, voltage is working, fuel's working. And we'll see if it comes up to temperature. Lights are working. Left turn signal works. Right turn signal works. That's reverse right there. Reverse, and then first is straight up. Second will be here, third and fourth. It's a 4-speed. E-brake here. And then these brakes, you have to pump them up once you get pressure. That's pretty much it. Clean inside, engine sounds good. It starts right up. It's clean. It's a nice car, guys. Up for sale now at BobEvansClassics.com. Give us a call or go on our website.
Appreciate you checking out our page. Hit the subscribe button. We'll talk to you later.